Hello, this is John Jumpa, back at it again, and today I'm going to use my Ultrasonic on my Raspberry Pi, or it's also commonly known as the HCSR04. At its core, the HCSR04 ultrasonic distance sensor consists of two ultrasonic transducers, the one that acts as a transmitter which converts electrical signal into 40 kHz ultrasonic sound pulses. The receiver listens for the transmitter pulses. If it receives them, it produces an output pulse, whose width can be used to determine the distance the pulse traveled, as simple as pi. The sensor is small, easy to use in any robotics projects, and offer excellent non-contact range detection between 2 cm to 400 cm. That's about an inch to 13 feet, with an accuracy of 30 mm. Since it operates on 5 volts, it can be hooked directly to an Arduino or any 5-volt logic microcontroller. In this case, I'm going to use my Raspberry Pi. So, let me get my Python code ready. As you can see in my screen right here, the Python code is all ready to set to go, and I've done it again, practicing and see if it works. So, let's start it. There you go. It's recording the measurement right now and its distance. So, if I, let's say, move it here, 20 centimeters, 22, a little bit closer, it's going to record 4 centimeters. And I have a ruler right now, and it's about correct. Of course, there's going to be some small percentage error about how it is. I was trying to see if there was going to be some error off measurement, but yeah, I heard it might be because of the digital output port that Raspberry Pi uses rather than analog uses on our Arduino. So there could be that. I researched that it could be that might be the reason why there's such a difference in centimeters from just measuring using a regular ruler than just measuring the ultrasonic rate. This is what happens when it's close to the ultrasonic sensor, less than 10 centimeters. When it's away, close, away. And it spazzes out when it's like on the dot.